How to fix a blinking light on Apple TV. Blinking light on Apple TV. How to fix a blinking light on Apple TV. Blinking light on Apple TV. If you are experiencing a blinking light on your Apple TV, this may be caused by the power controller. In such cases, it may be advisable to unplug the device and try it again. If the problem persists, you may need to replace the power controller. The first step you should take if your Apple TV is experiencing a blinking red light is to plug in a different power source. If you do not have an external power source, you can connect the TV to a power strip. When you turn on the Apple TV box, you may notice a blinking light. Sometimes, it blinks rapidly or continuously. If you do not see a message, the light could be blinking because of software or a server failure. If you cannot resolve the problem by performing these steps, you can reset your device to its factory settings. If you still see a blinking or steady light, you can try to put it in sleep mode by going to Settings, General About. If the blinking light persists, you may have to update the firmware. To do this, open the Settings app on your Mac or PC. After updating the software, check if there are any new updates available. Once you have done this, the device will stop blinking and should work properly. If the error still persists, you can try to use another USB or HDMI cable for connecting your Apple TV to the computer. If you're experiencing this issue on your Apple TV, it's a good sign to upgrade to a newer version. Update the software. If your Apple TV has a blinking light, you should first try updating the software on it. If this doesn't work, you can try putting the device into sleep mode. Then, you can check if the blinking light is still there. If so, the problem is related to software updates. You can also try to restore the device from iTunes. If you follow these steps, the blinking red LED on your Apple TV should stop flashing. In some cases, the blinking red light is not related to the software. If the light is blinking, it could be an indication that you haven't updated the device's software. You should go to the Settings menu and look for Software Updates and click on Check for Updates in the Software section. This will update the software on your Apple TV. In this way, you can watch movies and play games. If you notice a blinking red light on your Apple TV, there are several ways to fix it. The first option is to restart the device. Once you've unplugged the device, wait 5 to 6 seconds and the light should stop flashing. This is the only way to solve this problem. This is an indicator of a software update. It may be the culprit in your situation. The following steps should help you to fix it. There's a chance that the blinking light is indicating an error. If you have an Apple TV that is not functioning, there's a chance that the blinking light is indicating an error. To fix the blinking light, open the Settings menu and select System. Choose Reset and confirm that the device is not in any state of malfunction. If it still has a blinking red or green screen, you should go to your settings to turn it off. Then, wait for a few minutes and check the status of the device. The second problem is the same as the first one. The light on your Apple TV will blink randomly, and you will be unable to do anything. This is why it's crucial to keep the device's software up to date. If you are experiencing a blinking red light, it's probably an error with the firmware. You should make sure that you are running the latest version of the software before you start attempting to fix the problem. Another problem is when the Apple TV is not updated. The light will blink rapidly, and the screen will show the icon for iTunes and a cable connection, but nothing will happen. You need to know what the error is, and where to look for it. If it's flashing rapidly, it's not an error, but a malfunction. You can fix this by restarting your device, but if it still doesn't work, you should try the following solution. Pinterest, Twitter, Reddit, podcast, Apple TV blinking light.